Hi, little fella, what you doing? Building the road?
Shut up and leave me alone.
Boy, what a little prick. Little prick. Hey, listen, you remember my cousin Elizabeth?
Yeah?
She just had her gizzard taken out. A little while ago, she was having trouble with it. Well, they got it over here at the high school in a jar of formaldehyde. You want to run and see it?
Sure.
Okay.
How do we get there?
Well, I'm not real sure.
Just follow the Little Pricks Road.
What?
Follow the Little Pricks Road.
Follow the Little Pricks Road. Follow the Little Pricks Road. Follow the Little Pricks Road. Follow the Little Pricks Road. We're off to see the gizzard, the shriveled up gizzard of Liz. They say it is a hell of a giz, if ever a giz there is. If ever a giz there is, the gizzard of Liz is one because it's a real nasty one. Ha 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 ha. We're off to see the gizzard.